Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and with the advancement of AI and AI doing a lot, doing production, doing video, then I saw this plugin online, and the idea was that the plugin can actually help you mix your song, and I was like, So I decided to give it a try. This is not a sponsored ad or anything. So without wasting time, let's just go right into FL Studio. So the plugin is called Echo J. So I'm gonna load up that plugin and on this guitar, and let's see what it's gonna tell me about the mix on this guitar melody. Yeah, so that's it. So it has captured that and it's analyzing it. So it's just like having ChatGPT or having Claude. You give it a loop or a melody and analyze that melody and gives you feedback on how you can make it better. So you can actually chat with the AI and it advises you on what you can do to make the sound better. So it has finished analyzing. So what it said, it sounds like a very punchy transient forward capture from the 13 seconds. So I'm just gonna ask it whether what it feels about the mix. So I'm just gonna say, do you think the mix is okay? And let's see what it's gonna say. And it's hard to say from where I am sitting without knowing what you are going for. Based on the capture, the signal has a pretty transient forward punchy character with most of the energy sitting in the low mid area. That can work really well if it's meant to cut through a dance arrangement. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the Echo J. I'm just gonna remove it, and let's remove it and put it on my mix box. Has finished analyzing all that. Okay, so I say 10.9 dB crest is the headline here. That's a genuinely wide dynamic spread for something sitting the disease. Most material at that loudness has had enough processing applied to pull the crest downward to 6 or 7 dB. So keeping nearly 11 dB at that level means the transients are intact and the limiter isn't chewing through the dynamics to hit the loudness target. That's a good sign. The loudness itself is exactly where you would want it for a finished mix in that territory. Nothing to adjust here. Overall, this is reading clean. The numbers are where they should and nothing is flagging. Okay, so overall, this is nice. So it's just like what I see this plugin as is just something you would have. Just imagine you giving ChatGPT your song and saying, okay, give me a feedback. But in this case, this is designed for music. So it's basically listening to your track and giving you feedback regarding your track. And you could also scan your plugins and it can. So let me just ask it again and say, do you think there's anything I should do? Anything more to be done? So let's see. Do you think there's anything more to be done? And let's see what it's going to tell us, whether I'm just too good. Okay, so it's listening. I did it at -8 LUFS with a 10 dB crest. Honestly, the mix is in a solid place. The dynamics haven't been squashed, have been squeezed to get to that loudness, which is the main thing you'd want to protect. The one area, what a second look, is the mid-side energy balance. The spectrum data shows the low end carrying most of the weight, which is expected. But if the mid-range feels like it could use a bit more present in the mix, a gentle push in the upper low mid region could help teams cut through without touching the loudness or dynamic. That's a taste call. That's a taste call more than a technical problem, though. If you're happy with how it translates on different systems, monocompatibility checks out, nothing's clipping, and the dynamics are breathing, I'd call this done. Sometimes the numbers just confirm what your ears are telling you, and the answer is to stop. What's your gut feeling on it? Anything specific you are not sure about? Okay. So yeah, so this is just how you can be chatting with it. And for me, I feel like the mix is good. So that's why it keeps giving me good feedback. So if maybe your mix is not sounding nice, or I could try something, I'm just gonna try to do something with this mix. Maybe I'm going to load up an EQ and let's see whether it's just telling us what we want to hear. So I'm gonna like cut it out like this, maybe give it and hear what it's gonna give us. So I'm gonna give it that radio effect feel and select my master bus, the Afro Beat. Okay, so let's see what he's going to tell us now, whether it has been programmed to just say nice things. So he said, these readings don't line up with what I'd expect on the master bus. The loudness is at -16 dB with an 18.5 crest, and the energy is concentrated in just a couple of frequency regions rather than the spread across the full spectrum. That's more what you'd see from a single element play in isolation than a full mix. And comparing to past one, the loudness has dropped nearly 80 dB and crest has jumped significantly. Did you accidentally capture this in the wrong channel, or was there just one element playing? Okay. So it's not just programmed to say something nice. So this is something I'm gonna be trying out and seeing, because me, I'm a pro AI person. I really welcome new ideas. When something is put out there, it's just good to always up your game. So when I saw this plugin, I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try and give my honest feedback on it. So I think this is something I am really gonna be trying out. I'm really gonna be using it and just see how it could actually make my mix better. Because trust me, you stop progressing when you stop learning. So this is just my idea. So whenever something new comes out, I just love to try it and give it a try and see how it can actually make my job better, easier, and even more faster. So this is Echo J. Like I said, I was not sponsored by them. Just saw the plugin and decided to give it a try. So you could actually go check it out for yourself. You could go Google search and you could actually use it for free. This is actually the free version I'm using and it's doing the job. So if you got something from this and if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you are subscribed and turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I thank you guys for watching and definitely see you guys in the next video.